get started with the makeup tutorial. So first, I will razor my brows, cut this part off. If you want to like get that arched brow effect. Hello Kitty hair clips. Most mistakes that people have are putting eye contacts after they do their makeup. You always have to do your eye contacts first. I'm gonna be using macaron lenses. Use these lenses a lot. They last over like a year, which is pretty nice. You just gotta clean it all the time. Okay, let's do this. Pull your eyes down and then look up at the mirror. Make sure to not blink. I've blinked so much times, but now I'm getting used to it. Then you look down, your eyelid a little bit, look around. See the difference between my eyes? And you lightly put it in there. Voila! Now you have cute dolly eyes. I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. primer. I don't know why every time I put eye contact on, I feel like sneezing. It's not cute. I use the same Cover Perfection. I grab a little brush. Now I'm gonna do the second brow. I look like an alien. I'm running out of my Turtur cushion and I'm so sad. Good thing I'm ordering a new one. I'm going to go back with my color corrector. Just like that. And yes, I'm gonna contour so I can make my face less dead. And I'm just gonna go down. The most important thing to do when you do gyaru makeup, making your nose like straight down. Not try to make it like a button nose because that will not give gyaru at all. Then you put up on top of your brows, blend it up. I think I'm going to go for this brown because it's more orangey. I'm just going to go put an arch right there. Now I grab my eyelid tape. Finally, for the eye makeup, I'm going to go with my Judy Doll in black eyeliner. Drag your eyeliner down like a droop. This is what you want to do. Drag it down. Go to the middle part of your eye. Drag it down. You want to add more. Get an eyeliner for your waterline. Drag it up. So these are the 3 lashes I'm gonna use. This I got from Shein again, and yesstyle. I definitely recommend black diamond lashes since they're actually gyaru lashes. As you can see, I put this on top and then I put it like that. Now for the application. I finally got a new fan. I'm just gonna fan it for like 15 seconds. I'm going to apply it with a tweezer. Like the best way to applicate your lashes if you have nails. And if you're a gal, you would know this. So now I'm putting on the lashes. Here's a tip, you look down on your mirror right here. Don't mind my eyelid tape, please. It's so bad. In the middle, like so. Connect it. Push down and lift up these while they dry. Keep pressing down. Go up right here, down. Just look how cute. The bottom lashes, as you can see, they're pretty thin and I'm trying to get thick lashes soon. Ew, look how dirty my tweezers are, but ignore that. I'm really getting used to the camera, like talking to the camera and stuff. Make sure you trim your lashes to the right size. I'm gonna wait till it dries for 15 seconds. Put it on the middle. Like, it made my eyes look so big, which I really love about gyaru makeup. It's just so me. It's like my personality at this point. I'll be right back with you guys for the other eye. I'm back. Eyes are done. I'm gonna grab my white eyeliner. Judy Doll. I have a lot of Judy Doll products. Okay, I'm just going for this color. And just bringing it down. Now for my favorite part. Lily by Red Blush Beam. I just love how cute it is. Look at the heart. It's literally my favorite blush. This. And just lightly get it. I think I got too much. I'm gonna put it right in the middle of my cheeks. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, now that's a bit too much. I'm actually so proud of myself. And I'm going back on the Judy Doll palette. Love the highlighter so much. Just look how shiny she looks. I'm in awe. And I'm going onto my eyelids to make the eyes pop again. The center attention of this makeup look is your eyes, because most gyarus soften in other areas. For example, the lips are also pale, the eyebrows are light, and the blush is super light. So it's like, people were so right. When you put a light color on your brows, it really softens your features. This is my favorite lippy of them all, the Dasique Water Blur Tint that I also got from yesstyle. And I'm just going to show you how adorable. Oh my gosh. It just looks so delicious. I'm going to use the Porcelain powder. Let me tell you, it's so translucent and it's like waterproof, like a filter. The product, the packaging is really tough to open, which I really dislike. Wish they did it in a different packaging, if you know what I mean. So it can be very easier to get it over with. Like, what if I needed it for an emergency? My face looks so oily and my crush is like literally like 3 inches away and I need to fix my face. This is literally not gonna save me at all. Just look how oily my skin looks, and what? Tell me you guys saw that. She is so blurrified. This blush is a bit too light, so I'm gonna go with Dasique blush palette that I also love. With this first, and then this. It's like the base type of blush, and then I put this on top, which really changed a lot. I'm gonna go for this color. There you go, now it looks better. So this is the final look. Look how dolly I look. Absolutely adorable. I can't stop looking at myself. I hope this makeup tutorial was very helpful. I'm also gonna make a hime gyaru hair tutorial, so stay tuned for that one. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That would be much appreciated.